Welcome back, Wellness Warriors. Today we will be diving into a health secret that could be a missing link in your wellness journey. Ever wondered what's really going on inside your body? Well, what if I told you that there was an analysis that can reveal vital information about your health? Information that standard blood tests might miss? Let's talk about the power of hair mineral analysis. Charlotte Gerson once said, all chronic and degenerative diseases are caused by two and only two major problems, toxicity and deficiency. This quote emphasizes a profound truth. Our health is basically shaped by what our bodies accumulate and what they lack. And so how do we uncover these hidden imbalances? That's where hair mineral analysis comes into play. Why can we use hair for this type of analysis? Because hair is body tissue. Hair passes through blood, lymph, and other extracellular fluid before reaching the skin's surface. And so as the outer layers of the hair harden, metabolic processes that are gathered during its formation are locked in. Studies have shown that hair mineral analysis can reveal imbalances that standard blood tests might overlook. For instance, you might have a blood test and it shows a normal level for a certain mineral. Meanwhile, a hair mineral analysis might reveal that you are actually deficient in that same mineral. Why is this? Well, our bodies are always trying to maintain homeostasis. This means that our bodies are always trying to maintain stable blood levels, even if it's at the expense of other tissues. Did you know that trace minerals and metals are accumulated at concentrations 10 to 50% higher in hair? Did you know that? Hair mineral analysis examines the mineral content of your hair, revealing key insights of your body's mineral balance and exposure to toxic metals. Unlike standard blood tests, which may give you a snapshot of your current state, hair mineral analysis can give you a longer-term view, revealing how your body has managed minerals and exposure to toxins over several months. Why is this important? Because knowing your nutrient levels can propel you to better health. Calcium, magnesium, zinc, each mineral plays a crucial role in our well-being. Deficiencies can lead to weakened immunity, mood swings, and fatigue, as well as a whole host of other issues. On the flip side, though, an excess of heavy metals like lead, mercury, or aluminum can lead to chronic degenerative diseases and neurological issues. Hair mineral analysis works by measuring the levels of various minerals and toxic metals in a small sample of your hair. These results provide a blueprint of your body's internal environment, offering a personalized roadmap to optimize your health. This test can guide dietary adjustments, supplementation, and detoxification protocols tailored specifically for your unique needs. Imagine having the power to address deficiencies before they become serious health issues, or even detoxifying certain heavy metals before they wreak havoc in the body. This is why hair mineral analysis should be an essential part of your healthcare routine. Why wait? Take charge of your health today. Click the link below and uncover potential deficiencies and toxins and get started now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell for more wellness tips. Have you tried hair mineral analysis? If so, share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video. Blessings.